AC Guy 1948 here. Was driving into work and my muffler got loud all of a sudden. Sounds pretty good, but I'm gonna have to fix it. Yep. Oop. Well, I wasn't ready for the clutch to come out. Got a parking brake. That should be good. It sounds good. I can't leave it like that. Go ahead and set the camera here and go rev it up a bit. Because right there is about where the exhaust leak is. It is getting a little bit of exhaust out the pipe. Sounds so good, but I can't leave it like that. Somewhere up underneath there. Not sure if the muffler went out yet, or what's going on with it. But alright, that'll do it for part one. See what's going on with it. Now pull her in the shed. Okay, well, crawl up under here and see what we can see. I don't think it's going to be much. Okay, we are up under the truck here, and yep, there's your problem. Pipe slipped out of the clamp there. That'll do it. This truck's in really good shape up underneath. I don't know how much you're seeing, but pretty rust-free. Frame's even in good shape. Not a whole lot of rust. Let's say I'm pretty happy with this truck. Yeah, autofocus isn't liking it. So I'm hoping that's gonna be hot, isn't it? Maybe I can just slip that back in place. Oh yeah. Tighten those nuts up and that'll be back in business. Okay, easy fix. Now all I need is a lever to pull back on this pipe, and then I got a straight pipe anytime I want it. Alright. Okay, so quick sound check, make sure I fixed it. Yep. Yep, definitely fixed it. Or made it worse, depending on how you view that. If I could get away with a straight pipe, I would, but this truck is way too loud. Okay, and we got that. Now let's try and do this one-handed. might not be able to get there any tighter. I might have to get a new clamp. Darn. Well, I guess I'm going to have to get a new clamp on there and try to see if I can even take this one off. I don't know. She's off. Alright. Well, I guess I'll do it on the other one and yeah, put a new clamp on there. Or maybe I can just run that one back up. We'll see in a minute. Now I'm just curious. That's a yeah, it's a Thrush muffler there. I was going to try and put the cherry bomb on it just to see how it sounded, but it's the same size diameter. This one kind of fits on there. So we'll fire it up and see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, it's all coming out of there. Here it is now. Yeah, definitely does a good job there. Well, okay. I guess I'm going to get back to the project. Just had a little fun there. Yeah, that is way too loud to have a straight pipe. Okay, one more thing I was curious about. If I put the cherry bomb is behind the Thrush. It would make it quieter, yes, which it kind of does. Definitely quiets it down. How's that sound revving? Guess I should have just left the camera over there. Oh well. That doesn't sound too bad. It's almost getting into territory where it's might as well have the stock muffler on it though. It's a little bit louder. Okay, that was the last one. I'm gonna get back to trying to get this thing fixed. Alright, so here's the plan. Got a saw here with a metal blade in it, DeWalt. And this pipe really won't bend in because of the way it is. Oh, right, I still got the muffler on there. Hold on. So pretty much on this here, I'm going to cut a relief line so it can crunch in on itself and clamp onto that pipe there, because right now it won't do anything. So I'm just going to come in here wherever it's easiest and cut a straight line. Alright, that was pretty quick. So yeah, that should give me enough room for this thing to clamp together once that's past there. Oh, well, I've got a brand new, well, got a brand new clamp. We're going to see about lining these two pipes up. Hopefully I didn't cut that too far. If so, I've got an idea for fixing that. Looks like I might have. Darn it. If I can slide that forward some, might be good. Yeah, I think we're alright. Okay, so now we'll just put the clamp up there. Clamp's made out of 2 pieces. Got your U-bolt in the bottom half. Put the U-bolt over the top there. This bottom clamping piece, hopefully that fits. It looks kind of big. This is just one I had laying around. Yeah, that'll work. And then that'll pull tight and hopefully squeeze that together enough to where it clamps onto here. So I'll get on that. Alright, well, let's go ahead and tighten these up all the way and see what she does. Battery's about dead on this thing, but I'd say she's solid. Yep. Alright. I think that fixed our problem. I'm going to go over and again make sure those are good and tight. But let's fire her up and see how she sounds. Yeah, I would have been filming the cutting and everything, but my tripod is a little bit too tall to fit under the truck. I really didn't have a good way to angle you up. Okay, neutral. That sounds about normal. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. Alright, and this problem's been solved. I want to thank everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.